Sturgis Limited, we are leader in modern sanitation service provider. For many years, humans have been struggling to dispose human waste. Welcome to the future of human sanitation. Sturgis Limited, we build a pit using modern innovation. Biodigester. Why Biodigester? No bad odor, no logging, no exhaust lorry, no spending money. You only manage wastewater and human waste within your compound. With a single add of bacterial enzymes, it can last up to 100 years. No maintenance required, and it occupies small space in your compound. Low construction cost. It uses the modern organic decomposition, reducing waste to zero value. Please call us or WhatsApp 0757 339262. We are located in Thika town and we are responding countrywide. Biodigester is good for schools, homes, churches and more. We have achieved completion in different organizations. Sturgis Limited, we are creating innovation to modern people. You can visit our website at www.sturgislimited.co.ke. Sturgis Limited, made of minds.